Now I will show you about the GSM module. This is called as the GSM module. Okay, here we need to insert the SIM. This is my SIM. Okay, uh, you have to insert SIM. Only 3G SIM will work for this module. So I am inserting some 3G SIM. We need to insert the SIM here first. Okay, yeah, I successfully inserted, and here you can see it is a GSM SIM 900A. You can see that it is a GSM module SIM 900A, and here there are some pins are there. I think yeah, now it's visible. Okay, here there are some pins are there. Yeah, just look at this. This is the ground pin, the last one. This is the ground pin, and this is the TXD, and this one is the RXD and VCC, and these are all the some other pins. uh, these four pins we will use now. That means these four are the very important pins. Okay, these four pins. And this is the antenna. You have to fit like this is the antenna, and here you need to give the 12-volt power supply. Okay, along with given with the VCC, here VCC and ground, you have to give the plus 12-volt power supply to this port. Okay, so here for a time being I shouldered two wires because I don't have this cord. So I shouldered the two wires, and I'm giving connecting this to some other adapters like 12-volt adapter. Okay, when I insert the SIM, and here you can see I made like something this, and I have 12 voltage supply. For that I am giving now. Yeah, you can see here there are three LEDs are there. One is the red color LED, that is the DC power. I think it is yeah, three LEDs are there. One is the red color LED, another one is the blue color LED, and another one is the NWK LED, that means network LED. I will remove this. I will remove the power and I will show you properly. You can see here three LEDs are there. When we give the power supply, that means DC power, when you powered up this device, this light will blink. And next one is the status LED. Status means if that power supply is sufficient for this board, then this light will stop blinking and it will give the continuous continuous LED will glow continuously. That means that power is sufficient for this module. And another one is the NWK, that is the network. Network means when we insert the SIM, if it is registered for the network, at that time it will blink very slowly, like 1 second each second, like this. Okay, if it is blinking in a fast mode, that means that it is searching for the network. If network is not there also, it is blinking like the fast mode. But if it slowly blinks, at that time we can think that yeah, it is registered to the network. Okay, now here we have the four pins as I already told. Ground, TX, transmission and receiver, and the VCC. Okay, so what I will do means, here I have my Arduino. Now what we are doing means, we are controlling some of the appliances through the mobile by sending SMS, and also we are getting reply back from this module whether that example for that pump set is on or off. Okay, we are controlling the pump set from the mobile, as well as we are getting the state of the pump set whether it's on or off from the distant place, that means from the mobile, just by sending the SMS. That we are going to do now. Okay, for that here I will connect uh, these pins, all these four pins, ground, TXD, and this is one is for RXD and VCC. Okay, this first one is I have to connect it to the ground, so I will connect this to the ground pin, uh, and this one, that is the red color one, that is the TXD. TXT, as I already told in GPS also, we need to connect the transmitter pin to the RX pin. Okay, here I am using this as the RX pin, RX and TX, this original pin only. Okay, now I will connect this to the RX, and here I have one uh, RXD pin that I need to connect it to the TX. Okay, TX of the Arduino. Then I have another pin called VCC that I will give it to this uh, plus 5 volt. Okay, here is my plus 5 volt. I will give it to that pin. Now, okay, now this setup is complete. I need to power up the this one, that means this module. Now you can see that the status light is not constant, that blue color, right? That means this power is not sufficient. If the current is more, then sometimes it will give the status power without supplying this 12 load, but it requires some more current. So what I will do means, I will give the external power supply. Okay, yeah, I have given the external power supply. Now you can see this stated this light will yeah, it becomes constant, and this network light also blinking very slowly, and it is registered. Okay, now we need to upload some codes to the Arduino. For this, that I will explain. It's also a bit lengthy code, but I will tell everything. Okay, first of all, we need to if I send some message to the Arduino, that means not Arduino, if I send some message to the my sim, that is the sim which is in this one, the message has to be stored in some variable. So for that I am declaring char in char. Okay, in char is the just a name. Okay, char, there's the data type, and int relay equal to 8. That means I'm connecting relay. I told no, for home appliances and all we can use relays. Okay, this is a dual channel relay. You can see that previously we used that single channel relay. Yeah, now for a time being, look at this, you can connect anything, but now I am just showing with one LED light. Okay, here I have one LED. I will connect this to the plus 8 LED plus and minus to the ground pin. Okay, here it is 13 and this is ground. Okay, plus 8 and the ground pin. Now you can see that. Yeah, I think it's visible now. I connected that to the plus 8 and the ground pin, because here in this program, oh sorry, I think yeah, now you can see that this LED I connected to the plus 8 and the ground one. You can this say dual channel relay, as I told. Previously we used the single channel. It is a dual, that means two relays are there. You have to give the two inputs for this. You can control two appliances like that. Okay, then in the code string state equal to, that means we need to save the state of our appliances. That means whether it is on or off, because when we ask our Arduino system. Okay, yeah, I will make this one off screen. Yeah, when I make my Arduino system, okay, when I make this system to if I tell this system to send the message return back to me, then this has to in the Arduino something, the state of those appliances has to be saved. So I declared this string state. Okay, this is a string and state equal to nothing is there, just an empty string I declared. Then white setup, in the setup block what you have to do means, pin mode relay comma output, these two sentence we know already. Okay, relay, or instead of relay now I am connecting this LED bulb, that is initially it is low. Okay, then serial dot begin 9600, that is for the serial monitor. Then 2000 seconds of delay, that means properly it has to pass the data to the serial monitor. So to stabilize it we make 2000 milliseconds of delay, not seconds. Then serial dot println 80 plus cmgf equal to 1. from this it is something it seems something new code. This is the AT commands. Okay, this type of AT commands we are using for this GSM modules. Okay, AT commands means here serial monitor is there. No, in that we are going to write those commands. So here what I am writing means serial.println AT plus CMGF. In the serial monitor I will write this. That means I am sending through some data through this cable, that is through this cable to the serial console of the Arduino. Okay, I am sending some data to the serial from the serial monitor. So I am writing here that AT plus CMGF equal to 1. This AT command AT plus CMGF equal to 1 sets the this one GSM module in the SMS mode to text. That means in mobile when we are doing the SMS and all, we open the message app. No, in the same way in the Arduino, if we send this AT command to the GSM module, this is GSM module SIM 900A. Okay, for this module if we send this code, it will set this module to the text mode. Okay, that means SMS mode to text. Then delay 100 and now what I will do means serial.println AT plus CNMI equal to 22000. That means when the here I already read the comment, it's already there. Just to get a notification when SMS arrives and direct out SMS upon the recipient to the GSM serial out. Means if we get any message like that from the if I send some message to my this SIM GSM module SIM, then that message has to be displayed in the serial monitor, because we need to make something on that message. That means we need to compare something in that message, and if that message is equal to our some password, then we need to get the state of that machine or anything. Otherwise simply if a third person sends the message, that time also it will on. Simply if third person send on any message, that time also it will on. It should not happen like that. So we are getting that message on the serial monitor. For that this AT command we will use. Okay, then the next one is the wide loop. Okay, wide loop block. Here what we will do means if serial dot available is greater than 0, that means if anything is there in the serial monitor, that we need to check. Okay, here what we did means in the setup this command, no AT plus CNMI, this command it will make if anyone sends some SMS to this SIM, then it will display in the serial monitor. So here what we are doing means from here to here. Okay, just carefully read from here to here. What we are doing means if serial dot available, okay, if anything data is available in the serial monitor, in char, that is our variable, in char equal to serial dot read. If in char equal to D, that means first letter of our SMS should be D, then delay 10 milliseconds, because this serial monitor has to get updated, so 10 millisecond. Then in char equal to serial dot read, then again read. If the second character, if the second character is V, okay, first character should be D, second character should be V, and the third character is 0. If third character is 0, then it will off the our appliances. That means it will off the relay. Our secret code is DV0. You can set any code, okay, but here we are setting DV0 for off the our appliances. If we set DV1, here you can see else if in char equal to DV1, DV is already there. If we send 0, DV0 means it will off, DV1 means it will makes this high, that means relay high. Then if we send DV2 means it will call some function, that is send SMS. It will send the state. Okay, here you can see state. I declared this state as a global variable, global string. You can see it is string state equal to that I declared in the beginning. That means not inside the setup block. You can see the setup start from here, but I declared these things above. That means it's the global part. Okay, so uh, if I send the message as dv2, then it will gives us back the state of the appliances. And things the difficulty is there in this code. For sending the SMS, these are all the some AT commands. Okay, there are two AT commands, so we need to follow. Serial.println AT plus CMGF equal to 1. This AT command will set the GSM module to text mode, that I told in the beginning only. Okay, beginning also we used this. Okay, then delay 1000, then serial.println AT plus CMGS equal to, that means it will send the SMS. AT plus CMGS will send the SMS. Okay, uh, here we need to give the your mobile number or any user's mobile number who want to get this message. Okay, not this sim's mobile number, who want to get the message, the person's mobile number we need to give. Okay, then delay 1000, and here we need to after that, after this AT command, we need to print what the message we need to send for that person in the serial monitor. So for that I am printing serial.println state. State means whether my relay is on or off, that I am printing here. Then delay 100 serial.println char26. Okay, yeah, this one ASCII code for what is that, control Z. Okay, that means this has to be quit and it has to be come here. That means again for this one, so we use that. This code is very simple. We will upload this code. Okay, before uploading, remember, if anything is connected to these two RX and the TX pins, that is serial pins, you have to remove this and you need to upload the code. Okay, remember that. Yeah, the code is uploading. If any error is there, it will show. Yeah, done uploading. Okay, the code is uploaded. Now what we'll do means, okay, the code is properly uploaded. I think you hope understand this code. You can see once from the beginning to end. It's a very easy code. Initially just global declaration in the wide setup, some two AT commands. Okay, that is for one for receiving the SMS and one for the to set in the SMS mode. It will just receive the SMS and gives in the serial monitor. And here in the serial monitor we are comparing the message character by character. Okay, it will come check for the first character, next character and the third character, like that it will check. Okay, then if the our message is db2, then we will call this send a message, and this will send the message. This function will call that function, and this function will send the message. Okay, so now see we will see how it will work practically. For that, uh, okay, this sim card number is yeah, I will show that. For that, I need to just off this camera, and we will see practically. See, I will not touch anything for this circuitry now. I will just uh, show you the things how we can do that. For that, yeah, what I will do means, uh, yeah, I think it's rotated, so I will rotate it, and again I will rotate. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, I rotate it. Now I will open the message, and here in the message uh, I will send that uh, okay, this is my number. Okay, this is my number, and here what I will send means, I will send dv1. Okay, I will send dv1. Okay, dv1 I will send. That means here if I send the dv1, here this LED has to be on. Okay, I will send this dv1 now. dv1 I'm sending. Yeah, you can see now. 8 and the ground pin is connected. Yeah, wait, the Arduino also we will open serial monitor. Okay, yeah, now we will send, we will see if any error is there. uh, we'll check for this LED once. This is connected to ground. Yeah, she lose connection. Yeah, uh, this is connected to the ground and this is connected to pin number 8. Okay, now okay, everything is fine. We'll once restart this. Yeah, yeah, now no, because here two pins are connected. I will restart it once. Okay, yeah, yeah. Here the network is registering. You can see that the network is registered, and in the serial monitor also it will give properly. Now what I will do means, uh, yeah, serial monitor. Okay, this is also proper. Now I will send message dv1. I hope this is my number only. Yeah, this is my number dv1. Send that. Yeah, relay is on, but here we declared pin number 8. I think this LED is only something might wrong. We will change it, because here in serial monitor we are getting that it is on. We will connect the relay. Okay, yeah, here I have that relay. Okay, yeah, we will connect the relay and we will see properly. This is for the switch, that is pin number 8, and this is for minus. I will connect it. Okay, minus, and this is for plus. You can see it's already, the relay is on. That is problem with the LED, the relay is on. You can see now if I send, you can see that the relay is on. Now what I will do means, I will send dv0. Okay, I will send dv0. Send dv0. You can see here this side. Will send this and I will open this. Yeah, you can see it is off. I think it is not possible to make split screen. No, it's not possible. So you can see I will again send dv1. Now this has to on. See, yeah, it's on. If I send SMS as dv2, now it has to reply me that our machine is on. Okay, dv2 I'm sending. So now let's see whether it will reply, or it did replied. Yeah, relay on. You can see it replied that relay on. That means our code works fine. It's replying to me that relay is on. Here you can see the relay is on. You can see that relay is on. This is how we can use this GSM module, and just think of using it you are in agriculture purpose for your pump sets and all those things. uh, I think if you learn this much in the Arduino, I think it's uh, very nice. I'm not telling that it's enough, because there are lots of things are there that I also don't know. There are lots of many things are there in the Arduino. You can refer arduino.cc website for more knowledge and more information, and also uh, do some reference in the GitHub. That's very nice. um, we'll get lots of codes and all. I think now you get all these things. Okay, now we yeah, thank you.